In the geometric center of your brain sits a tiny, pine-cone-shaped gland. For centuries, philosophers like René Descartes believed this, the pineal gland, was the principal seat of the soul. It was thought to be a unique, unpaired structure that connected our physical bodies to a non-physical world. But its true function is arguably more profound. It's not a mystical gateway, but a highly sophisticated chemical factory, a chronometer that measures the length of the night. It does this by producing a single, ancient molecule, melatonin. The story of melatonin doesn't begin in darkness. It begins with sunlight and what you eat. Its raw material is tryptophan, an amino acid found in foods like turkey and cheese. Inside your body, tryptophan is converted into serotonin, the famous neurotransmitter associated with mood and happiness. During the day, your pineal gland is busy stockpiling this serotonin. It's waiting for a signal. It's waiting for the light to fade. Think of it like a dam holding back a reservoir of potential, with daylight acting as the structure holding it all in place. So, what gives the signal? How does your brain know when day has turned to night? The information doesn't come from your visual cortex, the part of your brain that sees. Instead, specialized cells in your retina detect the ambient level of light, specifically blue light. This signal travels down a dedicated pathway called the retino-hypothalamic tract, straight to a cluster of about 20,000 neurons known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. This isn't just any cluster of cells. This is your body's master clock. During the day, the SCN is highly active. When it's flooded with light signals from your eyes, it sends an inhibitory message out. This message, a cascade of neural signals, ultimately tells the pineal gland, stop, do not release melatonin. The dam holds. This is why melatonin isn't a sleep hormone. It's a hormone of darkness. Its presence doesn't force you to sleep, it simply informs every cell in your body that it is dark outside. It's the starting gun for a race of nighttime biological processes. As darkness falls, the light signal to the SCN fades. Its inhibitory command over the pineal gland weakens and then ceases entirely. This silence is the trigger. The pineal gland's enzymes rapidly convert that stored serotonin into melatonin. The floodgates open. Melatonin pours into the bloodstream, traveling to every organ and cell, from your liver to your skin. This nightly flood doesn't just make you feel drowsy. It adjusts your body temperature, slows metabolism, and coordinates a massive wave of cellular repair. But here is where it gets truly strange. This entire system can run without any external cues at all. If you were to live in a cave in total darkness, your SCN would continue to operate on a roughly 24-hour cycle. It has its own internal clock, governed by a complex feedback loop of clock genes and their proteins. These proteins are produced, build up, and then inhibit their own production, creating a reliable, self-sustaining oscillation. Light doesn't create the rhythm, it simply calibrates it or entrains it each morning, ensuring your internal clock doesn't drift away from the real world's day-night cycle.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.